Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another weapon in Fortnite, and this time it's gonna be the Zapatron. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin, let's start out right in the middle of the gun. So we're just gonna draw in a pretty large rectangle. Okay, so that's gonna be right in the middle. And then with this rectangle, just kind of divide it in half. Just find the midpoint, just cut it in half. And then from there, just draw two lines like this and just kind of close it off. And then we're gonna draw a bunch of little lines in here. So this is part of the grip. Okay, and then from here, let's go add a little bit of detail. There's gonna be one little knob here. So just draw a circle. And then we're gonna draw a smaller circle inside. And then just add in a little rectangle on this side. Okay, let's see. All right, let's draw in the other parts of the gun first before we add in too much detail. So from here, just come up from the midpoint, just come up a little bit. And we're gonna go back, and then we're just gonna draw in a little rectangle back here. Okay, so it's a little bit lower, and then we can add in some detail. Let's just cut that in half. Well, not in half, but just cut it there. Add some lines that way, and then add two lines this way. And then up here, just draw in a little bit of a U shape. And we'll add a little bit of detail. Okay, so let's see. So down here, we're gonna draw the little magazine that sticks out. So we're gonna curve it. Come down, close it off. And then for some detail, we're just gonna draw the same curve. Just close it off. And add in some lines. Just kind of follow the curvature. Okay, so let's keep going, and this part here, we're just gonna extend it down, back, and then just come back down. And then here, just gonna go out. Okay, and then we're gonna slant this down, and let's draw in the little grip here. So right here, just draw a little box. Give this line some thickness here, and then we just slant it down. Both sides just kind of come down. Close it off, so that's gonna be the grip. And here's the trigger. And then for the grip itself, we can add in some detail. Just add in another rectangle inside. Okay, so this is actually a pretty complicated gun. So let's see, for some detail up here, just come up, slant, come across, and then just come down. Okay, so let's draw in the back first then. So just draw the same slant as this. So this is lining up, and then we just kind of go straight back. And then we'll take this point here, come straight back, slant down. Then we're gonna give it one slant until we meet up to that point, and then we just close it off. Okay, and then let's see, for some details, there's gonna be a circle here and here. My circles are all a little wobbly today. Okay, and then another rectangle inside, and then for this one, we'll just draw another circle inside. And to add in some detail, if you like, we can just start here. Just kind of draw another line, just following the one below. So we're just drawing almost the same line. Okay, and then from here, let's draw in a little rectangle here, but with a slight slant on this side. Add in a couple of lines, and looks like there's gonna be some screws here. Okay. All right, let's finish up some detail up here, and then we'll move on to the front. So right here, we just draw a little rectangle, screw, and then looks like there's gonna be another 2 screws here. Okay, and then let's move on to the front. So for the front here, just come down slightly, go straight across, and then on this one, we just kind of come straight across. So this is a very long rectangle. Then we'll close it off. And then on the inside, we'll add in another rectangle. Slightly smaller down here. Okay, and then from here we can draw in 2 lines. Okay, and let's add in, there's a little bit of, looks like it's part of the sight here. So come up, slant, cross, and just kind of close it off with a slant. And let's add a little detail there. Okay, and then let's work on the front. So we're gonna go right in the middle here. We'll just come out with a little rectangle. Okay, pinch it in, draw a little bit of detail. And then for the claw itself, so we're gonna start on the inside here. Just draw slant, and then we're gonna slant it up slightly. This one's gonna go down slightly, so it's gonna be symmetrical. And we're gonna clamp it in. Okay, so once you have this, now we'll work on the other side, on the back side. So we just kind of follow the same curve. Just follow the same slant, on both sides. Okay, once you get to here, let's draw 2 slants, 1, 2. So 1, 2, all the way to the tip. And then we're just gonna close that off. And then for the details, let's see, we'll add some screws here right in the corner. And then we can draw a line from corner to corner, but behind the screw. Alright, so that's probably the trickiest part. Let's move on. There's some wires down here. So here, we'll just draw in 2 rectangles. And then we're just gonna draw one big curve from one side to the other. And then we're gonna give this some thickness. And there's a little bit of wrapping here. And then one more, there's gonna be another wire, but we can't see the tip of it. So we're just gonna start here. And it's gonna be behind the first one that we drawn. And that is it for the Zapatron gun in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.